Alright guys, what's up, Cool is here, and today we're doing an unboxing on one of my Christmas presents, and it's this. I know it looks like I've opened it already, which I have. I only looked inside it, so I opened it, and then I saw that part. I only saw that part, so yeah, we might put it together. I don't know, we'll see about all that stuff. I still got my freaking bacon and eggs sock. Giant tic-tac-toe. Probably do a unboxing on a couple others, but you know. So let's get into it. Yeah. It's hard to get out. Hold on. Can I open this? Alright, so here's this. Here. Okay, so this is one part, as you can see, basic. What is this? Arcade Shootout, so. Is that the logo Arcade Shootout? So we got that. Got these to open. Okay, we got these little balls and stuff. Okay. So, I've got all this stuff. So, got the little arcade shootout, and so got this too. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, it would be like right here. We pull back. You know, like right here. Ooh, okay. Here we got the balls. Oh, I'm missing a couple there. Okay, so let's get it put together. If I could set up this camera. There. Okay, so, here, let's just do this. So we got this. I guess we could just go ahead and here, first of all, let's look at the instructions. Okay, so that goes right there. Is that it? That doesn't seem right, but alright, well, that's good enough, so got that. And so now Okay, we put these in here, but I guess that's to hold it in place. Okay, so now, alright, we got that done. Go ahead and place the little thing there. Okay. This should be simple, guys. There we go. Woo. Here, I got it a little bit messed up here. Okay. So, I guess we got it. So let's do a little bit of shooting with it. Oh, okay, that was a little bit far. Ooh. That was awesome. Okay. Why did they go so far? Uh-oh. What was that? This is hard. Ooh. No. Here, we got one more. Can I just make at least one? No, okay. Let me get all these pieces back and I'll show you guys. Hold on. The recording won't stop. Well, I guess, hold on. Maybe it will. Alright, yeah, it won't stop. Okay, well, let me get these. No! Okay. Let's get under here. Get these. Oh! Is there any more? No. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's here, let's actually maybe put it over here where it has like okay. So I guess here. No. See, it's not straight. Alright guys, well that's enough of showing that off, so there's a finishing touch. So like if not subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.